Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a class in Educreations. First, you must go to Educreations to create an account as a teacher. Once you've created an account as a teacher and you've logged in, you will have this in your display. You go to Classes, click on New Class, and give your class a name. It is always a good idea to give your class a name that is irrepeatable in the future. That's why I always choose to label my classes with the year. Then choose the subject area for your class, choose the grade level, and if you wish, you can add a description for your class. Then click Create Class. Once you've created your class, it generates a code. This code can be used to be shared with your students so that when they use the iPads to create Educreations video, they can join your class, and then you will see your students under Students. And you can see all the content that they create by clicking in their accounts. They would be here. You can also access their account details so that you can reset their passwords and everything. And that's it. Thank you.